here is an example of what you are going to be doing in this lesson. Let me pull up my pen. Okay, so you have a problem. Shaggy earned $7.55 per hour plus an additional tips, $100 in tips, waiting tables on Saturday. He earned at least $160 in all. So I need to write an inequality and find the minimum number of hours. So that means I need to write an inequality and solve an inequality. That's going to be what you guys are working on. So I know, okay, he earned $755 per hour and an additional $100 in tips. So he earned $755 per hour each plus $100 in tips, and it was at least 160 in all. So that means it has to be greater than or equal to 160. So that's my inequality. And then to solve that, I'm just going to treat this as an equation and try and use all my PEMDAS steps to figure this out. So first I need to isolate my 755H. So to do that, I'm going to subtract 100 from both sides. So now I have 755H is greater than or equal to 60. Now I want H isolated, so I divide by 755. I divide by 755, and I get H is greater than or equal to, well, let's see. I don't know that off the top of my head, so I'm going to grab a calculator. And I'm going to go 60 divided by 755. Okay, and it says minimum number of hours to the nearest hour. So I'm going to say that's closest to 7.9 or hours. If you wanted to round up to 8, that'd be more accurate, but I'm going to leave it as 7.9. So Shaggy had to have worked at least 7.9 hours to earn his $160 in total. So you guys are going to be working on that, answering a few questions using your own numbers. If you get confused, come back, watch the video again, and then try, and then ask questions if needed.